Here we got a 1966 Mustang Convertible, probably a 289, I'm assuming. Yeah, 289. They're 289s or 260s. Usually they're 289s. And you know, I guess those were that's how the interiors were with the Mustang in it, with the insert horses. Got wood steering wheel, 4-speed on the floor, or 5-speed. Excuse me, it's got a 5-speed. Put the drinks in there. It's a sweet Mustang, man. Too bad they didn't bathe these cars in zinc before they left the factory, or put the paint on them at the factory, so they would have lasted a gazillion years longer. Personally think all these cars should be around today. That's sweet, man. Convertible. Yeah. What else would you want?